each product is a different arrangement. We've got a great arrangement with our manufacturers, and speed has been of the essence. So we have been paying it as we go. In terms of inspections, yes, we've got an inspection happening from China division and making sure that they're compiling our products correctly, and we're paying them post-inspection. So you need to make the arrangement depending on how mission critical it is for your product.
Can I just add to that? I've been burnt once with, well, not burnt. I luckily only paid my 30% deposit. I highly recommend just paying your 30% up front, and then do not pay the balance until you're 100% sure of the quality. And I can use either Topwin Inspection. I'll put these links in the topwininspection.com or Asia Inspection, and they're really thorough. And things like that you wouldn't even think of that they've picked up on, like, a tiny bit of smudging of the printing on the box, little fingerprints on the product. They were really thorough, and there were some bigger issues than that. And so we went back and negotiated, and the 70% deposit we probably paid, it was probably more like 45%. So we pushed the price right down, because they're from their side, if we don't accept the goods, we say we're not going to pay, then they're way out of pocket. So it's really important you've got some negotiating power, because not only are you paying for the product, but then you're also paying for the shipping, massive amount, which is a big cost, and you get it out here or get it to wherever it's going, and then you find out it's faulty. That's a massive out of pocket expense. So very important.
And make sure that any orders, you've got a paper trail, a written trail of the arrangements in terms of the purchase, the deposit, whether there's an inspection. Just make sure that that's all documented and clear, because it can get, with all the transactions that happen with Alibaba, you can lose the thread, and make sure that you've got that written trail.
Yeah. How are you going?
I'm done.
Okay, just back.
I'm done.
Sue Josephson, thanks, Sue, said she uses Magento for her that and syncs everything together, which is for her inventory control. It's free for up to 10,000 sales per month on your website. And my website's actually WordPress, and there's a plugin there that syncs with my detailed Excel. So it depends on what your website is as well. Obviously, Magento's, I didn't realise that was the case too, so that's good insight there.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.